Hey everyone, today I will show you how to stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. And here's how it is done. Open OBS Studio. Click Settings, Stream. Select YouTube RTMPS from the service dropdown. Choose Connect Account Recommended or use Stream Key. If new to YouTube streaming, request access through Go Live on YouTube. Approval takes up to 24 hours. Once approved, click Connect Account in OBS, log in, and authorize OBS. Ensure Ignore Streaming Service Settings Recommendations is unchecked. Then click OK. Your YouTube chat will pop up in OBS. Reposition it as needed. Click Manage Broadcast on the right. Then create New Broadcast. Add stream title, description, links, set privacy to public. Choose a category and upload a thumbnail. Set latency to normal for best quality. Click Create Broadcast doesn't start streaming yet. To confirm, go to YouTube Studio, Content, Live, and click View in Live Control Room. In OBS, go to Settings, Video, and set 1920 by 1080 resolution and 60 FPS. Under Output, choose Encoder, X264 or hardware. Set CBR rate control and input bit rate based on your upload speed. Use speedtest.net. Click OK, then start streaming in OBS. Check your YouTube live status to ensure it is working. You are now live on YouTube with OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.